Metrobank offers a suite of credit cards designed to elevate your financial freedom while providing unmatched convenience and rewards. Whether you're looking for exclusive privileges, travel perks, or cashback benefits, there's a Metrobank credit card tailored to meet your lifestyle needs. With a Metrobank credit card, you get more than just a spending tool. You gain access to special promotions and exciting deals that make everyday transactions more rewarding. Imagine earning cash back or points every time you dine at your favorite restaurant, shop online, or travel. And when it comes to big-ticket purchases, the easy installment plans help you manage your budget without hassle, making your spending experience smoother and more efficient. Security is a top priority with Metrobank. Their advanced fraud protection and 24/7 customer service ensure that your transactions are always safe and secure, giving you peace of mind every time you swipe. Plus, with the Metrobank mobile app, managing your account has never been easier. You can monitor transactions, pay bills, and redeem rewards, all from the comfort of your smartphone. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a shopaholic, or someone looking for financial flexibility, Metrobank's credit cards offer a seamless solution to meet all your needs. Choose from their wide range of cards, and enjoy exclusive benefits that fit your lifestyle. Applying is quick and straightforward, and with Metrobank's trusted reputation, you can be confident that your financial future is in good hands. Discover the freedom and perks that come with a Metrobank credit card today, and start living the life you deserve.